comrades of Ward 45 in Rustenburg, I would like to thank you for the work you have done there by having that place under our own comrade. Continue also, but also you must spread and encourage others from other areas, because Umkhonto weSizwe must take the country in the next elections so that we can free ourselves from oppression of many centuries. Please, I am also going to come to visit you, to come and thank you very closely for when we are together of the good job that we have done. You have a very good leadership indeed. Thank you very much. Thank you.